Good evening, traders. How you doing? August 11, 2022. Hope you had a great day today. Wild day today, actually. Wild day with another gap up and then finally some selling liquidation at the close, midday and close of the session. So let's get into it. Let's go quickly to the market profile to see where are our levels for tomorrow to watch and some trade ideas. Let's go. All right. So here is the market profile. As I explained, we open with a gap up today around this area. This is the open of today. We broke the overnight high and went all the way up to 42.60. That was the high of the day. From there, we finally had some correction. We were lacking of supply all the morning and all the day of yesterday and the overnight of last night as well. So finally we built some supply in the mid session, and from there we just went and had some liquidation, right? So the important thing that I was watching is that we did fill the gaps that we had this morning. So that brought us again back to the balance area of the previous 5 days around this below 42.11. Right now we're a little bit more up than close. We close. Oh, actually we're at the close this time, but in the overnight session we did hit a 4200 4208 low. So tomorrow or overnight, important thing that we have to watch here is obviously today's low. If we break it, if we break today's low, we have room to this area 41.98 here, where we have some resistance and support yesterday, and hackback of yesterday's session is around 41.95. So that will be the range. Actually, we hit the expected move today. Expected move for the week for the SPX was 42.32. So we did hit it and exceeded way far way, and then came back, right? So we still have some volatility left for tomorrow. Actually, we have a $30 expected move more or less for SPX. So $30 higher from 42.07. That will give you like a 42.37, 41.70 ranges for tomorrow. So let's see how, if we continue to the downside, we have a lot of gaps for the previous gap up that we have a huge one here without any type of orders here, all this area, and it might be interesting what happens, but everything is about today's lows, right? Today's lows important. We're gonna continue going lower and correct there for the end of the week. So let's go with some trade ideas for tomorrow. What I have for you today, some insight candle placed. Actually, I was watching here AT&T. It doesn't move much, but it got my attention because it's about to break this range here, and it has range to the downside, right? So even though it has an average true range of about 30 cents per day on the past 10 days, that's what my ATR is here. We are exactly here in this poor area that is where it's been ranging for the past 4 or 5 days. So we expect a probable break of 18 level, and we have room to 1785 all the way down to 1750. It's not much, but for a Lotto Friday, it might be interesting to same way for the to the upside, but I don't see it looks bearish for tomorrow, so I will be looking more for the downside. 18 break, 1785, 1770, and 1750. Yeah, those are the levels that I like for tomorrow. What else we have? Target. It's very interesting actually. It's been on a very tight range in the past 2 3 days. Even with the turmoil that we have had in the market, but what is very interesting is that we have, I don't know if you can see here, a huge gap to fill. Of course, not gonna be filled tomorrow, but it tried to start filling. I mean, actually started filling it a little bit last week and the beginning of this week, and right now it's again on that level. So we're gonna be looking here is a break of a 173.15 area, and then we do have some. I mean, we have an upper bucket there, so I would say 173.13. We might have room to 183, but if we want to play it not as aggressive, what I would do is take the range of the previous range that we have. We can get some levels here. So on a break of 173.10, I would say 176 and 179 are the next two levels that I see here on this extension here from this previous range. So that is very interesting, and it's because of, look, all this rectangle is a big huge gap that came from earnings since May 18 they reported. And next one is NVDA. Today we, as most of the underlines, had a rally on the morning and then gave it all back and more. And as you can see, it has because of that we have this ugly inverse hammer here, and this is a demand area that is about to be broken as well with the 13 EMA. So if we break 178.62 on NVIDIA, we might see a retest of the 50 EMA on the daily, which is at 176.03. And even from there, we have a couple of more levels that I can give you: 174.37 and 173.19. So a potential of 5 points, 5 points there of a move because of this pattern that has here. But everything is about the 13 EMA that I used here, the white line here, white EMA. That's the 13 on the daily. We need to break it. We're not gonna see confirmation tomorrow, obviously, but that level is important, 178.62, and we do have some room for the down. Next one, GME. I don't like to play memes, but I know that a lot of you do. So we have an inside candle on GME. We know the range and how crazy this underline moves. So I will look for more the opportunity of breakup here. We have a deep trend line here. So break on 41.98. And we have room to 43.17, 45.90, 47.97 previous high here. And we know that GME has a $3 ATR, so it is possible at least to get to the 44, 45.90 here tomorrow. So that is another one. On the downside, we might also have, because if we break 39.37, we do have room all the way down here to, let me change this for area. I would say around here to 38. So it's almost 1.5 points. Not bad. And for a Lotto Friday, not bad at all. So GME, it's another one. This one is AKAM, but I don't think that this one has weeklies. It has an inside candles, but no, it does. It does have AKAM. Also, big red candle today, but within the previous day range. So we have an inside candle as well. So looking for a break of 93.56, and we do have a very nice range all the way down to 91.86, which is the previous day low from yesterday. Actually, midpoint here, you can look for targets. If it breaks, obviously you don't wait all the way down to take profit, but the idea is that is the main target, 91.86. I will take my first profit. This is my target 1, target 2. So 93.13, 92.50, and lastly 91.86. AKAM. And last one, SWTX. This is an ugly 3-day streak here of red candles. Bad. Finally, we didn't have here a lower low. It hit some support here on this area. So, but if for some reason it has continuation, it has obviously a lot of increase in volume and looks bearish, stochastic. So it's still very. So if we have a break of 28 room to 27.19, 25.97 to the upside, that's when it becomes more attractive, right? Because the previous day high is all the way up here to 37.08, but you have to wait to come back all the range of today and then break and then continue, and you have the MAs here. So I don't think that is going to be enough, unfortunately, for tomorrow. So I'll be looking more for the down. And that is what I have for today. Hopefully you have a great Lotto Friday, and I have all the information for our VIP stream room in Discord. We're gonna be streaming live free access tomorrow, and maybe all or part of next week. So if you're interested, don't hesitate to visit us, and all the information is here below in the video, and also the information about the VIP memberships for the monthly subscription and weekly subscription. So if you like my trading style and my ideas, please give me a like in this video and to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you tomorrow on Lotto Friday. Adios.